Throughout his life, he was on a mission to bring joy to the world, one sip at a time. Today, we celebrate Harry Yee's birthday, the king of Hawaiian tropical drinks with a flair for the extraordinary. Extraordinary indeed. Harry Yee didn't just think outside the box, he straight up demolished the box and replaced it with a giant whimsical playground of creativity. He was the mastermind who decided to pluck a beautiful orchid from the garden and gently place it in a drink. Talk about sipping on elegance and style. The genius who looked at a tiny umbrella and thought, hey, this would make the perfect garnish. And just like that, the world of cocktails became a tropical paradise, your own personal vacation in every sip. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the tropical itch. Actually, that's Aaron's favorite, isn't it? This man had the audacity to stick a back scratcher right in the drink. And actually, look at here, I have a back scratcher signed by Harry Yee. Yeah, that is a special gift. Now, who in their right mind would think of such a thing? Only Harry Yee, my friends. Only Harry Yee. From orchids to umbrellas to back scratchers, Harry Yee's creativity knew no bounds. As you may or may not know, we lost Harry in December 2022. He was 104 years old. That in itself is an amazing accomplishment. Today, I've got one more of Harry's creations for you, the Catamaran. But first, I'd like to share a little backstory here. It was Henry J. Kaiser, after successfully navigating various careers as a shipbuilder, automaker, steel industry leader, and accumulating immense wealth, decided to embark on a new adventure. The construction of the Kaiser Hawaiian Village Hotel. That was from 1954 to 1960. He sold the hotel in 1961 to the Hilton chain for more than $21 million. It's now known as the Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort. There's a mouthful. Anyway, one of the bars in the Kaiser Hawaiian Village was called the Garden Bar. There, the doors would open to reveal a breathtaking view of the blue ocean just beyond the bar. Now, Henry Kaiser's favorite color was pink, evident in his choice of attire, such as the pink slacks he often wore. Pretty daring for the time period, I'm thinking. There's confidence for you. His affinity for this hue extended beyond his wardrobe, as everything surrounding him embraced shades of pink. From vibrant pink Jeeps serving as resort transportation, hotel floors adorned with pink tiles complemented by the occasional touches of pink in the decor, to the Catamaran stationed by the beach. The ambience radiated with this rosy hue. It was during this time Harry Yee, working the bar there, was inspired by his surroundings and decided to craft a unique cocktail which he aptly named the Catamaran. Let's make one. Now, there are a couple Catamaran cocktails out there, notably the grapefruit gin colada. That's not Harry's drink. It sounds like a marvelous drink, don't get me wrong. But this is Harry's drink, and I got this recipe from Marilyn, that's Harry's daughter. She sent this to me, well, I guess last year. And yeah, it takes on the template, very close template to the Blue Hawaii. Now, the Blue Hawaii was invented, Harry invented it in 1957. This would have been about 59, 60, 61 maybe? Somewhere, I don't have an exact date. But Harry started his bartender career in 1952. got a gig at the the Kaiser Hawaiian Village Hotel and was there for like 30 plus years as head bartender, and rightly so. So thank you, Marilyn, for digging this one up and sending it to me. We're gonna start with some rum. 3/4 ounce of Puerto Rican rum. I've got Bacardi White. It's a nice rum, no question. 3/4 ounce in a shaker. We're gonna follow that up with some vodka. 3/4 ounce vodka. Pineapple juice is next. We want 2 ounces fresh pressed. You want to go fresh pressed, guys. It makes a world of flippin' difference. That's for sure. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much at all, actually. Yeah, there's 2 ounces. And we're just gonna pop her in our glass here. Our next ingredient is sweet and sour mix. I made this up from scratch. The recipe for sweet and sour mix is somewhere around here. It's also in the description below, so check that out, okay? What we want here is 3/4 of an ounce. Yeah, perfect. Now we got to get it pink, right? I've got some homemade grenadine here, and of course there is a link around here somewhere where you can make your own homemade grenadine. I've got a bar spoon, 5 ml. I might need a little bit more. Let's go with that. I don't know whether this was part of Harry's original recipe, but I'm thinking it might have been, because this template is so close to a blue Hawaii, you know, minus the curacao for grenadine. We have orgeat syrup is next. This is homemade, and of course you can find the recipe in the description below. We also made a pistachio orgeat a while back, and that is like super delicious. Now you could use pistachio orgeat, for sure you could, but this is your traditional almond orgeat, 1/2 ounce. Oh, look how thick and wonderful that is. That's beautiful. Goes great over vanilla ice cream. Freaking A. Yeah, it does. Over your oatmeal in the morning. Ah, yeah. Orgeat. Everything tastes better with orgeat. All we're going to do is add some ice to our mixing glass here. Lots of ice. Pop a lid on and shake it like, how we shaking, Viv?
Like you're riding the waves on a catamaran, on a pink catamaran.
Okay. Like you're riding the wave on a catamaran, a pink catamaran. Here we go. I'm a sailing. I always wanted to learn how to surf, you know? And you don't need a lot of shaking, because what we're going to do is get our glass out of the freezer here.
I thought you already knew how to surf when we made the Harvey Wallbanger.
Oh yeah, I guess I do know how to surf. I've got a lovely glass here, tall, tiki style. We're going to fill it with crushed ice. Now, you don't necessarily have to have a frozen glass by any means, but I like frozen glasses. Okay, I got some crushed ice here. Crushed ice, ready to go. We're just gonna fill our glass. Yeah, and we're gonna strain our mix right into our glass here. Oh yeah, lovely pink. Oh yeah, look at that, 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 look at that. We just add a little bit more crushed ice. We're gonna add a little bit more crushed ice, and we're gonna garnish. We're gonna garnish with a pineapple, obviously. Yeah, a little pineapple wedge there. Oh yeah, beautiful. A brandied cherry, for sure. Yeah, beautiful. We're just gonna pierce the side there like that. Yeah, beautiful. And an umbrella. Oh, thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. And a straw. Oh, look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Harry. Gotta love this one. All right, let's give it a go. Wow. It's delightful. Pineapple driven for sure. The alcohol, the rum and the vodka aren't predominant. Very easy going down. Like I said, I don't think orgeat was in the original recipe, at least not what I received from Marilyn and her specs, but it adds another complex layer to this already marvelous drink. This is beautiful. This is flippin' beautiful, man. Harry, you are a genius. When you look at the specs, you got the grenadine, which is sweet. You got the orgeat, which is sweet. What else is sweet in there? I guess the pineapple is somewhat sweet, isn't it? But it's not really that sweet. Make me 5 more, please. Harry, this one's for you. Your legacy lives on. I hope you're enjoying a drink or two in the afterlife. Yeah, cheers. Before we go, I want to thank Marilyn, that's Harry Yee's daughter, for this wonderful shirt and the shirts they sent to my crew. Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys. This is Viv. Yeah, this is Viv. Stop that. And this is Aaron. They do incredible work on the show. Now, get the hell out of here, okay? All right. So what I need you to do is hit the subscribe button and check out these other videos, these Harry Yee videos, and life will be grand. You know that. So make this sucker. That's a good thing. Cheers.
Martha Stewart all of a sudden?